Have you ever realized that our scrapes and cuts take longer to heal than animals? A new research suggests that human wounds take more than twice as long to heal compared to our closest relatives. A study from University of the Ryukyus by a researcher, Akiko Matsumoto Oda, focused on this interesting issue. Observing baboons in Kenya, she noticed their wounds healed quickly after fights. Curious about her own experiences with healing, she gathered data to substantiate her suspicions. To explore this, Matsumoto Oda and her team compared the healing rates between humans and various mammals, including vervet monkeys, olive baboons, and chimpanzees. The study also included 24 human patients recovering from skin tumors to measure their wounds daily. Surprisingly, human wounds showed an average healing rate of 0.25 millimeters per day. In contrast, other mammals, especially chimpanzees, healed at about 0.60 millimeters daily. So why? The results highlight the impact of hair follicles on healing. Hair follicle stem cells are essential for skin repair. Humans possess fewer hair follicles than other mammals, which means fewer stem cells to help produce the new skin. At some point in evolution, humans lost most body hair, possibly trading it for sweat glands. As early humans moved into hotter environments and adopted an active lifestyle, they lost most of their body hair to allow for more efficient cooling through more sweat glands. This evolutionary trade-off enabled sweat to evaporate directly from the skin, a crucial adaptation for thermoregulation. While this may have delayed healing of us, we've also learned that our ancestors relied on medicinal plants to survive injuries. The traces of pain-relieving plants in Neanderthal dental plaque indicate early humans used natural remedies. Moreover, archaeological findings show Homo erectus and Neanderthals survived with significant injuries, suggesting communal care. Our slower wound healing rate may seem like a disadvantage compared to our cousins. However, human evolution favored social connections, and usage of medicinal plants likely compensated for this weakness. Shared care and natural remedies helped our species persist, despite our unique healing challenges. So next time when you have a cut that seems to linger, remember, it's a part of being human. For more insights into human evolution, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.